Hello friends, welcome back to our channel. Have you ever wondered how movies are actually made? Not just the shooting and acting, but the real story behind the money. Where does it come from? Who are these producers, distributors, and exhibitors that we keep hearing about? And what do terms like gross, share, and net really mean? Today, we are going to pull back the curtain and reveal the secrets of movie financing and distribution. I promise, by the end of this video, you'll understand the business side of movies like never before. So, stay with me till the end, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more exciting content like this. How producers bring money to make a movie. Let's start with the first question. How do producers bring in money to make a movie? Many people think producers are super rich and just use their own money. But that's not always true. Most of the time, producers raise funds from different sources. Investors. Producers approach investors who believe the movie will be successful and will give them profits. Pre-sales. Sometimes, producers sell the movie's rights even before it's made. This can be selling streaming rights to platforms like Netflix, or music rights to record labels. Loans. Yes, just like any other business, producers sometimes take loans from banks. Co-producers. They also collaborate with other producers to share the costs. Here's something many people don't know. In some cases, actors and directors themselves invest in the movie because they believe in the project. Who are distributors and exhibitors? Now that the movie is made, how does it reach us, the audience? That's where distributors and exhibitors come in. Distributors, these are the middlemen who buy the movie from the producer and then take care of releasing it in theaters, streaming platforms, or TV channels. They decide how many screens the movie will be shown on and handle all the marketing. Exhibitors, these are the people who actually own the theaters. They show the movie to the audience. Think of big cinema chains like PVR or Inox. They are exhibitors. Here's the interesting part. The success of a movie heavily depends on how well the distributor markets it and how many screens exhibitors are willing to show it on. Gross, net, and share, what do these terms mean? Now, let's decode some confusing terms you often hear when a movie releases. Gross collection. This is the total money a movie earns at the box office without any deductions. It's the big number you hear on the first day of release. Net collection. This is what's left after deducting taxes like GST from the gross collection. Share. This is the most important number for producers and distributors. It's the final amount after the exhibitors, theater owners, take their cut. Generally, the exhibitor keeps around 50%, and the remaining is the share that goes back to the distributor and then to the producer. Here's something you probably didn't know. In some cases, if a movie flops, the distributor bears more loss than the producer, especially if they've paid a high price to buy the film. Other interesting facts about movie production. Satellite rights and OTT platforms. Nowadays, producers don't depend only on theater collections. Selling satellite rights to TV channels and streaming rights to platforms like Amazon Prime or Netflix brings in huge money, sometimes even before the movie releases in theaters. Merchandising. For big movies, selling merchandise like t-shirts, toys, and posters is another income source. Overseas market. Movies often earn a lot of money from international releases. In fact, some movies make more money abroad than in their home country. Here's a surprising fact. Sometimes, even if a movie doesn't do well in theaters, it can still be profitable because of OTT, satellite, and other rights. Conclusion. So, friends, making a movie is not just about creativity and acting. It's a complex business with many players involved, from producers and investors to distributors and exhibitors. Every movie is a risky business, but with the right strategy, it can be a gold mine. If you found this video interesting and learned something new today, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Your support helps us bring more exciting content like this. And if you have any questions about the movie business, drop them in the comments below. I'd love to hear from you. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.